Ubah Presiden Tensong ulang bagi sarkar kadang kejeng temu ban pendunai kejeng hak mea hak nong ba shelong bat ban pentik nai ki pat ba bikin sok kelit kawan joki bat kumta ke sarkar kam inu inu ndrei kalash pen kendria ikinong de madan sikejaka ke belabo kerpang bat ke sarkar kan ai kejeng kershan da ke basiu ke bai kendria sikejaka ke belapen krea Ubah Presiden Tensong ula pencai bagi sarkar jela kam setia kini ginong de madan kumbaladon ke bakentho bat kani kejeng keno kam de setia ke basisha namar bagi sarkar kalash pen kendria no ki sikoi pak kejaka ke batamai bagi sarkar kan ai jengerap ru yaki da ke song pisah
Request all the stakeholders, please cooperate with the government because again, this project is so important for us. It is not that we throwing them out, but we are relocating them to a designated places. Plus with the what they call it, that 20,000, we call it relocation allowances. Okay, so I would request all the stakeholders to please cooperate, and we would like to see that the public is at ease day or night time when you walk. I think you understand yourself also, because I've seen some group of people, they say why government they throw them out, this, that. It's not the question of throwing them out. In fact, we just relocate them. Relocation, at the same time, relocation fees also is there, where we provided to all of them. Okay.